Before this video starts, make sure you go follow me on Instagram and on Twitch at, well, my Instagram is Unorthodox Beats and my Twitch is Unorthodox Gaming 97. Links in the description. You know how we do. Let's get on with this video, baby. Wow. Hello again. Welcome back to yet another video. Yeah, today we're gonna be doing a future type beat because he just dropped an album. Well, he didn't just drop it. He dropped like maybe a week or two ago. Kind of late on that. Sorry about that. But we're back. We're gonna do that now. I'm just gonna do a video on his what's it called? Save Me or something like that. But if you like the video, make sure you leave a like. Don't forget to comment on videos that you do in the future in the comment section below. And subscribe to the channel. And turn on post notifications because you don't want to miss the videos from the best YouTuber in the world. You know what I'm saying? So, let's get into it. I really need to like figure out a way to have Omnisphere just be open when I open up FL Studio. Okay. Let's just find a melody, man. I don't know why I want to do a chord progression right now, but I'm feeling it. Alright, that was pretty damn quick. Now let's just speed this up. It's kind of slow. I don't want it to be that slow. Alright, now, hold on. I like this pad and stuff, but I want to change it up. You know, I'm gonna go through my sounds. I like sound selection. That's my favorite part. I love sound selection. So we're gonna do that. I love that. I honestly love that. That sounds fantastic. That sounds fantastic. That sounds amazing. All right, so of course we're gonna add gross beat. I'm probably not gonna keep it because I like how it sounds right now. Like it sounds fire right now. But I might even. All right, we're layering that with another pad. Let's go. Do I want to keep the gross beat on? No, I'm taking it off. I'm gonna take it off. You wanna know why? Because that sounded nice without the gross beat. Okay. Let's get this layering going. Whoops. Let's for the pads. Oh, there they are. Where's the good one? Where's the one that I originally liked? Is this it? Yeah, it is. Get rid of that. Toothbrush. Ow. Alright, let's try that again. It's a bit loud because I cannot hear the other one. Let's try taking this off. Okay, let's pitch. No, wait, why is it? Okay, what the f... No, never mind, never mind. Relax, calm down, I know. That's a nice melody, man. I don't know what else to say. That is a nice melody. I am not even gonna mess around with it. I'm just add a flute. Forget it. Let me just add this flute real quick. All right, let's add these drums. All right, I'm tired of waiting. We need these drums. We need these drums. Ahora, okay. I like, you know, that Pierre Bourne sample kit I just got. I really like it. You know, I think I'm gonna do something a little special. I'm gonna do something a little special with this. I'm gonna do something a little special with this beat. All right, so now that I'm listening to it more and more, it's sounding really messy. So I'm gonna mess around with I'm gonna actually turn off one of the sounds first. I don't even think we need the flute, to be honest. All right, yeah, we don't need the flute. The flute's just obnoxious, all right? We're not using the flute. All right, so boom, all right. You know, I'm just gonna go straight to the 808s because I don't know. I don't know. I'm gonna do it in a weird order today. I'm gonna do it in a really weird order today. I need that. I don't know why. Oh, I gotta add some rolls. I gotta add the Southside rolls. I knew it. I haven't done this in so long too. Oh my god, I haven't done this in forever, yo. Y'all probably missed this. I have not, bruh. Alright, we're done with those hi-hats. Yeah, we got a pretty nice beat so far. All right, let's add these snares. I'm not gonna use the snares from that one. There's a special snare that I found, and this snare, I love this snare. I don't know why it took me so long to obtain it, but I have it now, so I'm gonna use it. Oh my god! But the only thing is, it's loud as f. I mean, look, right? Pretty amazing. I know. I forgot how good I was at this stuff. Okay, it's crazy. I don't know. It's something else. I'm just, I don't know. It's, you know. But yeah, I'm just gonna mix it, add all the EQs and stuff, and then I'm gonna be done.
One eternity later.
Well, there it is, man. Shit. Well, what the f am I saying? Well, there it is. There is the Future type beat. I liked it. I think it fits well with the Save Me, because with Save Me, it was like more of like a emotional kind of thing, album. It wasn't really like fully trap, so I tried to, like, you know, make it a little calmer, you know, a little bit more mellow or whatever. But yeah, hope you guys liked it. Hope it helped you. Leave a like, all right? I'm not asking, I'm telling you. Leave a goddamn like. Like the damn video, like now. Also, don't forget to share it with your friends. Comment on videos. Just comment on something I should do in the future. Don't forget to subscribe, of course, because that is mandatory, okay? And turn on post notifications. That is also mandatory. Thank you guys so much for watching. Appreciate you guys for sticking with me. And yeah, I'm gonna see y'all in the next one.